Hello everyone. What I have for you today is the Anzbe HS7 dimple lock. It is a Spanish lock. Very nice indeed. Very interesting pins in it. I'll show them to you if I get it picked. There's our bitting. See if the other side has a better view of it. Alright. See if we can't get this thing open. Come here. Do believe I've already overset something. Recock it and start over. Just feeling the pins to see what's binding. Everything feels springy, so something's overset. And there we go. That is the Anzbe HS7 dimple lock. And classic rookie mistake already made. Give me the key. All right. I think we should go on ahead and gut this thing so I can show you what was going on with those pins. All right, bear with me just 1 second. I'm going to move this over to here. right. Never good at this, so I'm going to shim it. But I have seen a video of Tony S., the guy I got the lock from, gutting this, so I really have a good idea what to expect from these pins in here, and that's why I want to show you the trouble I was having with the oversets. Alright. Standard, standard, standard. All standard key pins, I believe. Alright, here's where I'm gonna move this back. Here's where it gets a little interesting though. And one. Pin two. I'll wait till I get them all out so I can show them to you. They appear to be all standard driver pins as well. The springs are all the same. It's too much light. I'll take one of the springs out. There we go. Yeah, the springs are all the same. But what we're looking at is these driver pins. See if I can get this to show up. If you look at them, you'll see that the driver pins are beveled. Which makes it really easy to overset your pins when picking, so that's it. That is the Anzbe HS7. Thank you, Tony S., for the lock. It has been a lot of fun. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Thank you, camera, for not focusing. There we go. Everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Everybody, have a great day.